In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to download and install the Canadian FSA shapes. Now, you will only have access to the Canadian FSA map if you've purchased the Canadian FSA Map Add-On. And if you'd like to purchase that, you can find that on the AlignMix website in the international section. Right after you complete your purchase, you will receive an email from me with instructions on how to download and install those Canadian shapes. So when you receive that, you simply download that file and then launch it. And when you do that, you will see AlignMix load up on your screen like it normally does. And then you will see this install screen. And the same process works for any other countries that you've purchased maps for. So here you can see we are installing the Canadian FSA shapes. Then you click on the next button and then click on finish. And just like that, you've installed the Canadian FSAs. Now to open up a Canadian FSA map, you simply click here on the File button in the top left, click on New Project, and then from the first drop-down menu, you can select Canada, and then click on Finish. And now AlignMix will reconfigure the map from the default setting of 5-digit US zip codes, and now it will pull up the Canadian FSA map. And there you go. You've just learned how to install your Canadian FSA map.